Welcome. Today we're at Longfield House. This beautiful home inspired by historical architecture is actually a modern home that's been built to a really high specification. So we're sitting in grounds of about 0.8 of an acre. It's secluded, it's private. Local pub under half a mile away. Perfect. You really do need to come and have a look at this gem to appreciate it fully, but why don't we go on inside and have a look around? For me, the heart of the home is really always the kitchen. And wow, what a kitchen, beautifully fitted, Neff appliances throughout. And actually, what really makes it? Double French doors onto the gardens, complete privacy, visited by plenty of wildlife. What's not to like? I hope you've enjoyed your view of this beautiful home. One last thing to mention, our owners here are able to give immediate vacant possession. So if you're looking for a purchase of a property with no complicated ongoing chain, there's a real added bonus. Give us a call, 01823 423 500.